So the next topic is logarithmic differentiation. Now suppose we have a function y is equal to f of x, which is equal to u of x power v of x. Now there is no simple way of just differentiating it. So we will try to take logarithms on both sides. So we will be getting log y is equal to log of u of x to the power v of x, which is equal to v of x into log of u of x. That is, we have log y equal to this. Now let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. We have 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, now here we have to be using product rule. So this is equal to v of x divided by u of x, because the differentiation of log function is 1 by x, so 1 by u of x into du by dx plus log of u of x into dv by dx. So hence we have dy by dx is equal to y into v of x by u of x into u dash of x plus log of u of x into v dash of x. So this is what we call as logarithmic differentiation. Now what is y? Y is nothing but u of x power v of x, and then the rest is same as above. Now the necessary condition for us to apply the logarithmic differentiation is that f of x, we are taking logarithm of f of x. So it is necessary that f of x should always be positive. Likewise, we are taking logarithm of u of x to the power v of x. So which necessitates that u of x also is always positive. Now here we have a problem which can be solved using logarithmic differentiation, which is if x power y equal to e power x minus y, we have to prove that dy by dx is equal to log x divided by log xe the whole square. Now we have x power y equal to e power x minus y. Now let us take logarithm on both sides. So we will be getting log of x power y is equal to log e power x minus y. So this implies y log x is equal to x minus y. That is because log e to the base e is equal to 1. So this implies y log x plus y is equal to x, which implies y into 1 plus log x is equal to x. Therefore y is x divided by 1 plus log x. Now let us find the derivative of this. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, so we have to make use of quotient rule to find the derivative. So here we have 1 plus log x the whole square in the denominator, and in the numerator we have 1 plus log x minus x into 1 by x, because the derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to log x divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. Now we can write this 1 as log e to the base e plus log x the whole square. Now you can see that this is sum of two logarithms. So this can be expressed as logarithm of the product Ex. So this is equal to log x divided by log xe the whole square. Now this is because log a to the base b plus log c to the base b is equal to log ac to the base b. Therefore, we have dy by dx is equal to log x divided by log xe the whole square.